We are in the service industry. Our focus has to be blow people away. Blowing people away is not something that you're trying to do to impress them. You're trying to do it to make them feel confident about their decision of working with us, giving us thousands of dollars. You're trying to make people feel that we are the right decision. This is how you win in the game of business. An obsession with making an experience for people, an obsession with serving them. You don't never say no to people. You don't say, no, we can't do this. That's beyond our scope. You figure it out. As I traveled across Europe, I was able to experience a lot of different things and different cultures and, worlds that were like thousands of years ahead of us. I was in a city called 𝗙𝗙𝗂𝗪 the last week. The buildings are like 10,000 years old. They're saying like this particular building right here is from the 10th century, 1,000 years old, right? And this one right here was built in, I don't know, the year 900 something, whatever. Wow, right? Like it's incredible. A culture that's been around for way longer than us. And I got to experience different things on different parts of the world in Europe. One thing that I always learn something from these experiences business-wise. I get to stay at some of the best hotels in the world, at least in the European part of the world. And the one thing that stands out is the word service, right? It's incredible how they are so interested in your experience. They're so interested in how you're doing, how you're feeling, taking care of you, making sure that you are being blown away every step of the way. And I felt that. Obviously, the lower you go on life experiences, the less interested there is in the quality of your experience. You go to a place like where I stayed on a hotel called 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗡𝗪, which was incredible, absolutely incredible for the last 4 days of the trip. The experience was like so heavily focused on service. And just teaches us that this is how you win in the game of business. An obsession with making an experience for people, an obsession with serving them. You don't never say no to people. You don't say, no, we can't do this. That's beyond our scope. You figure it out, right? Like I see people go above and beyond. We are in the service industry. Our focus has to be blow people away. Blowing people away is not something that you're trying to do to impress them. You're trying to do it to make them feel confident about their decision of working with us, giving us thousands of dollars. You're trying to make people feel that we are the right decision. Some of these people that are coming to AGM have been on a journey for 5 years before they give us a penny. So for all of us to work together towards making that decision the correct one for them, that's how you win in this game. Whenever you have a customer not feel taken care of, you are hurting a 5-year journey in many cases that are going to lead towards that customer walking away with a bad taste in their mouths. And we have to have an obsession over that experience. That's why consistently finding out if we're catering to their needs and wants, giving them our direction, going above and beyond, giving them content ideas, giving them guidance, giving them like whatever it takes for those people to feel like, wow, how did I get so lucky to find these people? That's what it's all about. That's how we win in the game of business. And you guys should take it very personal because we are all in the service industry. Attention is something that I've had my mind set on since I was a very little kid. I always wanted attention. Always wanted attention. Not always for good things, but I always wanted attention. So it's only natural that I end up with a company named Attention Grabbing Media because it was an obsession that I had. I understood that that word was very valuable. I want you guys to understand that this is not only valuable to your clients, it's valuable to you. So attention is a word that is very encompassing in any aspect of your life across the board, on your family, on a business, on a group. As an individual, if you don't get enough attention, you're not going to be able to grow. You literally cannot grow without it. That's the only path to expansion, right? So getting attention, making sure that your good deeds are well known is how you succeed. It's how also your clients succeed because without attention, they will not be able to generate more business.